as you can see, I have utterly destroyed my planer in an attempt to replace the bearing ring on this side, the big one. The only reason I did that is because the key to the pulley had worn down to a nub of nothingness and destroyed the pulley. It was coming apart, as you can see. So, new pulley, new key, and taking this out destroyed it. So I got a new one right here. And I just put them on, just put both of these on using my little homemade pulley tools, which consist of one that pushes on the inner ring on the big pulley, just the inner ring. This is just going to push on the outer ring when I put this thing back in the machine. And this one was just for the inner ring on this side. Not really needed. You could use a flat dowel just as easily, or the tabletop. But my concern is that when I put this into this little socket here, that it will only be stressing the outer ring, and since there's nothing backing that, the outer ring may move in and destroy the bearing ring. That's what I'm thinking. I've broken the machine down into sides. This is the side with the elevation, which is the right side as you're facing the machine in feed. This is the left side, and all these are the parts from the left side. These are all the parts from the right side. Those are my tools. Lubra plate. This is the top of the machine. This is the bottom of the machine, where I had to take the screws out of the elevation screws. And these go on last, the blades, the retainers, the air thing, and the base that I've created. Oops. So tomorrow, I'll see if I can't get this cutter shaft back into the machine without destroying the lesser pulley. That's my goal. End of tape.